Njumba kwa me depan wo se nya asem hwe menie nya asem hwe se wonya asem a na obo se nkrofo endo Ghana anopawe me the breaking news bremo se Kennedy Japan akansem bi afa NPP National Youth Organizer ho a ye friend no Nanabi na the NDC wo tena se de wo pan ne se opportunity trinity no mo hwi atoso and that NDC for Tron Krata akoma police for say Nanabi yenchi ntum because Kennedy Japan exposing Nanabi say Galamsey ya say ye fight say Nanabi won ne yere wo mo ejine mu dedenden a wo mo susu say excavators ni bi kra ebia na ebi e wo Nanabi ene ne yere ho. I don't want to waste much of your time. NDC for Krata wo mo de aba no eni na surprisingly and interestingly enough, make us surprisingly because I'm not surprised. Interestingly enough, NDC for so when youth wing in a troll sa enkrata way because Nanabi a youth organizer and NDC for so when mo konu buga boot for boot. What sha enkrata when mo atrakoma police for head no investigate and prosecute Nanabi for involvement in illegal mining. The NDC for can say Nanabi yenye hwehwemu ni ensanso nchi ntum say galamsey ono Nanabi de ne ho akwakohyem. Mind you, if you don't know what's going on, yesterday Kennedy Japan eba bonten on radio ebe say Nanabi ene ne yere kra no they are involved in galamsey. Na wo mo ka ho bi ema the fight against galamsey no ende Ghana ye faili and Akufo-Addo e faili no nti no wabo Nanabi din. Yanko ensem NDC for Krata wo mo de ababont was say the youth wing of the NDC has taken note of a video recording of Honorable Kennedy Japan MP for Asin North accusing the National Youth Organizer of the NPP Henry Nana Boakye alias Nanabi of being a galamsey kingpin. Originally, and I say no ordinarily and then the brofono. Ordinarily, we would take the accusation very serious because Honorable Kennedy Japan makes a lot of unsubstantiated allegations. But because of the sensitive nature of this particular allegation and how excavators have gone missing, it is worth looking into. We employ the necessary state institutions to look into the matter and prosecute Nanabi if he is found culpable. Wasi womo NDC for assembly say there. Na ko womo mba bonten embe kasa emfa ho because Kennedy Japan de yenim no. Sebe ensem a woni evidence ka wotumi ba bonten ebe ka. Now so esan say Ghana fight against galamsey na a sensitive issue ni ntino na womo tro enkrata we ekoma police for no. The second paragraph was say we condemn the involvement of the leader of the NPP youth wing in galamsey. This unpatriotic action alone has the potential to derail the progress made to protect our environment. We are even more scandalized that such a character still has the temerity to speak ill of distinguished statesmen when he himself is not clean. Almost see, Nanabi galamsey na warrior no eyade enye wo hwese nya galamsey esega na nsase ni insure nya de eyo mo ya me se Nanabi asemba no wono epeja na no kasa gbegbegbegbegbe e wa asem no so especially say Mahama asemba wo mambo Mahama din but me susu say me ma diobo no that's what they are saying say Mahama asemba say Nanabi original eka Mahama ansem no be hu say yes Nanabi eka iti di omo so eka no ene say asemba say Nanabi peja na no ka no say wono Nanabi ni kra no onye clean say wono kra no sabe wode ne ho akwa galamsey mu. That's the second paragraph. The third paragraph now say considering this allegation is coming from a leading member of the NPP, we are certain there must be an iota of truth in the matter and he has been investigated and brought to book. I say he must be investigated and brought to book. I say after all, our elders, if the frog tells you that the crocodile is dead, do not doubt it. I say same way the entire woman try krata ma police for say woman che na be ntum ene say Kennedy Japan ena eka from MPP ankasankasa nkrofo Kennedy Japan na yawo ensema mpanyinfo bi ka se yese se sebe obomotiro se den wo finsio metrel se gen a endi nechi eno no mo aka na obrofo mu no munia munim sa abe no aha se a frog tells you that the crocodile is dead, do not doubt it. Was say amidst the mind-boggling instance of missing Galamsey equipment and excavators, we cannot have another scandal of a public personality actively practicing and endorsing this harmful practice. Many young people who were involved in artisanal mining have been out of work since the clampdown by government on so-called illegal mining. It is therefore surprising that some members of this government have taken the back road and engaged in same activities. Also, what shasen ya MPP aban womo to Galamsey yebema womo jai ejuma no na ya se MPP fo ankasa mpanyifo afechi na womo mum koye Galamsey no. Was the effect of illegal mining on our environment has been the subject of many media reportage and concern to Ghanaians. Few weeks ago, the NDC led by our National Communications Officer, lawyer Sami Jenfi, proved to the whole world how this government misled Ghanaians about its fight against illegal mining, only for its officials to use some to enrich themselves and resource their party. The last part I will say, without mincing words, we call on the director of the CID and the office of the special prosecutor to conduct investigations into the matter. Public personalities like Nana B must not hide under the cloak of their party and power to plunder the nation and destroy our environment. His indictment will serve as a deterrent to other young politicians who may have misguided notions of what public service is. If Nana B believes he is above the law because his party is in power, he will have youth of Ghana to answer to. There were more can and say Yanchi Nana B aso special prosecutor in investigation na see the phone chino ntwe na so na emma wo mo a wo ma yo madwen say wo mo hu say Nana B ye bi njo mo so mbekwa koye bi no wo mo ejai ana sa susuye no wo mo embo mo trim kra biom we ne nsem a NDC fo e de aba abonten na NDC fo nso wo mo national youth organizer ye friend George Opare Ado wo no e na ne nsa e hye enkrata we ase na lekrani mi hu this particular press release mesreya me say hey lipa home asento a unya asema and then all over Facebook I am seeing Nana B's pictures and some people are laughing at him. Enye easy o wo mo mesre no esre no wo mo de beye we e de ye. So far I have not seen anyone defending him because the statement is coming from Kennedy Japan. I have told you this. Just like what Kennedy Japan has said on Nana B and I will not be a hypocrite to sit here and say eyenekre. Me de bia me tremo. Say Kennedy Japan the assemble bontia. Eya na me hwe. Say what the evidence be ka ho. Nana B die ya nkrofo afa. Ka say we Kennedy Japan the waka na eyenekre no. Kennedy Japan didn't provide any evidence. Similar to what Kennedy Japan did to Anas. Kennedy Japan just went on radio and said Nana B is involved in Galamsey. And people are taking it on. Why? Because it's coming from Kennedy Japan. Sami Jenfi and our Babonting Ebeka say Nana B Galamsey ya. Nanka Mijidi say ye nina ya beka Sami Jenfi chantro because Ebiana Sami Jenfi want for evidence and back. But you see, because it's from Kennedy Japan, people are believing it. And then Nana B send Yankofu dino ho srew just said enye easy Ghana for wo hwa and the picture bia me hu yam say Nana B na okoto wache ewo baby na wo bi post picture no na wo tro say Galamsey excavator kingpin na me say wa hwe ye de Nana B account and on my way sa me yete member obi and that sa me yete wo bi betumi say within a minute and people will believe it. People will believe it. Whoa, we be to me say without even providing proof. We be bekiedi. Amama kaima sembi. I no hunti meeting kese e wa sorry. Just say one young guy bi ena one lady bi a wonu so nyi e wa sorry. Just say young guy no edenam say another young guy bi a wonu wedi 20 years. Lady ya ye kan ho say wedi 40 o. Young guy yi a wo wa sorry a wo ye Asha e wa sorry no odenam say 20 years boy yi ene mami eda omutu na ekwa sorry just say wo mo da. Meanwhile enye ade a AC. Now so what the name essence ni bakuye Osha wo kanti people were believing it. Nkofo beti asem na aso mpanifo be mo be ye meeting ansa na abrante no e pa cho say e ntro no twae. But you see, because of his position in the church, what can say na tren nkofo e wa sorry no ebi mo gidie a enu hunti ebi mo your imagine say wo mo ne maame ne kra enkasa biom just because another person a wono e wo position wa sorry abeka say maame no wone nkola nketwa e da e wa sorry nim. Meanwhile, nothing of that sort is happening. I keep on telling you this. Kennedy Japan. Eya na go focus me penasem. Kennedy Japan me penasem. Me penasem because we sha. So what the assemble not or the evidence but send ya me tanechi no it tells you say me penasem. But the main pen say eya no can send from crofo no ese wo mudin without evidence no and me who be pen me who be pen will be swear e kasem say ubakwa go hwem na ye ntro. It's like in Japan was saying and be reputation enu hunti NDC for e dey politics. Ena obi bi say say into NDC for the year politics no we be obeba be ba say NDC for say asem we ni kwan so mo dey wa we be ba say NDC say ni kwan so mo dey asem we year politics no we are hypocrites. In some MPP for the year politics against NDC for no eye bini. It you know if you expect the NDC to sit down on something like this, then you're a joker. Especially in an election year. And an abiyobia utumi who say wakasetia mahama kesiye wakasetia NDC kesiye then there are some way aba opese NDC for the omonsa mu demi frame. No, this is even one of the least things they could have even done. Baby na kombe here demonstration say hey nanabi monche nanabi but when put they say a press and on their bar thing. So NDC for you so asem with their politics ni there. I see nothing wrong. What I see wrong and they say Kennedy Japan sitting on a radio station and just saying something like this, and you see now people are believing him because it is from Kennedy Japan. So Kennedy Japan got na radios and TV so now what kasa me amete hey seven predators am akwa kokun obi a people will believe Kennedy Japan, but the Kennedy Japan wan fa evidence behind but still people will believe him. Why? Because it is from Kennedy. This is what I keep on saying. Ankrofo eba beka se metankene. I don't hate him. But what can someone want for proving bra? In some Kennedy Japan beka I would prove but no meka se waya de endra. What then send by a yen you who said okuja to a black kwa. Wakasa about the Get Fund scholarship meka se wono kan yiri ekoko GB. Kennedy Japan showed proof letter ne nyama ya trese ne kre okuja to a black kwa ne yiri nso eko GB. Me be kasa ye e wo ho e ma me kasa tia wo kuja to adrakwa e ma me bo Kennedy Japan abaso it was the assembly no one for prove and by you don't expect me to follow him because it is destroying the reputation of people and that Nana B you are saying the reputation whether indeed it is true or not you are saying the reputation just by Kennedy Japan sitting on radio and saying say Nana B Krano he's involved in Galamsey. Ebiana na bi kan kre ebiana de wo ye no one of the community mining and ebiana ye legal mining but because and the Galamsey asema baninti no ye de obi a wo ye legal mining bia ye de ono so beka ho se wono so ye Galamsey. You see some of the things I see and then it is affecting MPP for nkasa wo mon crofo and then na bi aka no ye de ade ye o and ye de ade ye oben obi na ni bakono what I treat other people some way ma won kasa mfa ho a one day one or the be yo ubeyobi munti asemi yo ubeyobi na ni bakono de esan se de bia no wo kansem fan krofo ho now the why you say nye wo na wo kansem na fa ho nti wuntu ni bakono fo a one day wa ka fan krofo ni ho awie na wonye obi a wobeka afa ne ho awie no de beba wo so eho na obehu say hey Kennedy Japan kasafa na so na MPP fo wo mo support no. I'm sure say Nana Bi Kra no was supporting Kennedy Japan embra Kennedy Japan kasafa nkrofo ho kan nsem akese without even showing evidence kan nsem se Mahama kwa kokum nkrofo without even showing evidence nsem akese a wo kan fa nkrofo ho muntaka wo kan nsem mo ye meeting of sample for mo without showing evidence. People believed him and then wo kan fa Nana Bi ho ne de onza monimo etwa o won MPP DP ni wa baba abonti a wa be kasa fa ho. How dare you? MPP ni bia wose wo ye bema won bra me kasa enti akene even Nana Bi na ngasa won to me be kasa enti akene Japan because won nim Kennedy Japan no won nim send ya Kennedy Japan be reason some opportunity so if he dares comes out because Kennedy Japan can say me o ka tell Nana Bi say I am daring him to come out to deny this. Nana Bi say wo ye bema one bra bontin be deny no be hu eja Kennedy Japan de be follow no. You see? Don't tell me your comment box ni mo. That's it.